Good morning, Manthan. How are you?
Morning, sir. I'm doing good. I hope you are also doing well.
Yes, thank you. I am also doing great. So, Manthan, I welcome you to the second session of personality development, where we are going to talk about the interpersonal skills. Okay, in the first part, we talk about intrapersonal, which is more about the inner world. And now, as we are the social animal, we have to know about the interpersonal skills too, right?
Right, sir.
So, during this session, we are going to talk about what are the interpersonal traits that we need to work on so we
Hmm.
can get cooperation, coordination, and collaboration with the people, right?
Right, sir.
So we will
Right.
see this. And can we go to the next slide?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, could you just read this session objectives one by one?
Sure, sir. End of the session, you should know why do we need to know interpersonal personality? Interpersonal personality traits, interpersonal communication process, and psychosocial personality.
Correct. So there are three things to be answered. One is why. Everywhere we answer why, how, and what. So
Right.
here we should know why. Then we will
Yes,
see
sir.
that how we can improve them. So we will just talk about the overview, and then later on we will go each area we will touch, and we will do our homework
Hmm.
and assessment. You know,
Right.
and we will
Yeah.
also see that what is called psychosocial personality. Okay,
Correct.
so can we go to the next slide?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Now, why interpersonal skills? You know,
Hmm.
so could you just read them one by one?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah.
So, interpersonal skills. First, we are social animals. We want to develop our personal reality, which is intrapersonal plus interpersonal, as we have already discussed intrapersonal. I'll read out the interpersonal topics. So, interpersonal is to get prosperous and yearning. What is prosperous? Number one is money, love and belonging, knowledge, skills, and abilities, respect, trust, esteem, and life values, etc. Then the second point is yearning, which has grow. Basically, grow is goals, realities, options, and will.
Correct. So see, as I said that we are social animal, and we know that very well, right?
Right.
And now here we want to develop our personal reality. That means our personal reality includes I, you, and the society and surrounding as well.
Yes.
So
Hmm.
intrapersonal means knowing self and getting much, aware about whatever I can know, my capabilities, my knowledge, skills, abilities, my
Hmm.
potential, everything.
Right.
Interpersonal means how to put it into the effect with the society and universe. So I could get cooperation, coordination, and collaboration with the people or with the
Right.
universe and the surrounding and society. Right? If you see
Hmm.
here, I have already talked about four factors which always, we look for. One is happy, healthy, prosperous, and yearning. Okay.
Yes.
So
Right.
once we work on our intrapersonal traits, we get happiness and healthiness. So that serves
Correct.
us with a happy and healthy life, intrapersonal improvement. When we
Hmm.
talk about interpersonal,
Hmm.
so if we want to get, as you know, we also want to get prosperous and yearning. And
Right.
prosperous and yearning doesn't mean that, prosperous doesn't mean money only, the
Correct.
fame, money. No, it doesn't mean that. Everyone is rich in something and something, right?
Hmm.
So it depends on us that what factor we focus. But of course, we
Right, sir.
want to get prosperous by money. That are our needs. Love and belonging, knowledge,
Correct.
skills,
Yeah.
abilities, respect, trust, esteem, life values. And this all
Hmm.
factors we cannot get alone. I
Right.
cannot sit home and I cannot get money and prosperity and fame. I cannot receive esteem with my own self, love and
Hmm.
belonging, the
Correct.
new knowledge, skills, abilities, you know,
Right, sir.
to check my life values. I need society. I need to
Hmm.
be social, and that will
Right.
enhance my experience and which will also help me to grow. Grow means yearning in terms of my goals. I'll grow with my goals, my reality, new
Yes,
options
sir.
to get it done, with
Yes.
less energy and with more
Yeah.
focus,
Hmm.
where I
Hmm.
could just save my time, cost, and energy. I'll be more focused on these three parts.
Right.
So then I will have an option to decide what will I do, right? So
Yes.
today, if I talk about money, we have to work, we have to go out, we have to do business or job, we have to be with the
Hmm.
relatives, the society, friends, everywhere, right? And if we
Right, sir.
have this interpersonal skills, polished
Hmm.
interpersonal skills, and if we have practiced them well, we could first get thing is like, we will get peace. The first thing which we will get is we will get peace,
Yes, sir.
right? And we will be on peace all the time.
Hmm. Hmm.
We
Correct.
will be able to cooperate, coordinate, and collaborate with the people. There are three words, three C: cooperate,
Yes.
coordinate, and collaborate with the people.
Collaborate. Yes.
And this will help us to get prosperous and yearning. Once again, I rehydrate here that, you know, money, love, belonging, knowledge, skills, respect, esteem, life values, etc. We can get
Right,
it
sir.
from the society itself. So
Correct.
prosperous doesn't mean only money,
Right.
because here everyone looks for like, we do not get satisfied. The main
Hmm.
factor is getting satisfied.
Yes, sir.
There is a difference between needs and want. So we need to
Correct.
understand first our needs. We need to satisfy them in order to be happy, healthy, prosperous, and yearning.
Right, sir.
Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Shall we go to the next slide? So I am sure that why
Yes, sir.
interpersonal skills, that is very clear with you.
Yes, sir. For sure. It is.
Because if you improve your interpersonal skills, and then do you feel that having good grooming, putting good things on place, and having proper interpersonal skill helps us to drive coordination and easy cooperation from the people?
Yes, sir. For sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
correct. So that is what we need, right?
Hmm.
So can we go to the next slide?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Can you read it?
So its personality is equal to personal plus reality. So basically, there is a main topic which is communication and transaction, which has two subpoints, which is again intrapersonal, which is self, and interpersonal, which is social.
Correct. So, as I said in the first session also, that we need to focus on communication and transactions. And while
Right.
we are focusing on that communication and transactions, we need to be more focused on
Yes, sir.
psychosocial skill.
Hmm.
We cannot be 100% psycho and we cannot be 100% social too. We have to identify
Correct.
balance in between according to the situation and time and circumstances.
Right, sir.
Right. So can we go to the next slide?
Sure, sir.
Now, can you read one by one all factors, those which affect to us?
Yeah. The first one is health, which includes fitness and hygienic habits.
Correct.
Second is beauty, which includes fairness, glow, and charm. Then we have grooming, posture, gesture, which is kind of body language. We also have face expressions, oral and written communications, communication skills, respect, trust, and balance.
Correct. So these are the factors, which we need to focus on while we are talking to
Hmm.
improve our interpersonal traits, interpersonal
Right.
personality. Now, this all factors we will go one by one in depth during our session as we move further. But currently, we will just discuss what are the factors we have to focus on, right?
Right, sir.
So first is like we should have a good health, fitness, and hygiene. Do you think that it is
Hmm.
mandatory? People judge our fitness and hygienic habits. Do they?
Yes, sir, they do.
Right. So we need to carry well fitness, energy, and hygienic habits, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you also feel that you are judged by your beauty, fairness, glow, and charm? Like, for example, sometimes when we feel down, we haven't slept well,
Hmm.
or we are suffering with any disease or something, anything emotional, mental,
Right,
physical
sir.
disease, pain, anything. And that
Hmm.
time, we get down, like our fairness, our glow, our charm goes off. So, do you think
Right,
that
sir.
point in time also people judge us? And when we are glowing, we are fair and charm, people just look at us and say, wow.
Yeah, absolutely. I
Does it
agree.
helps us to drive collaboration, cooperation, and coordination easily?
Yes, sir.
Right. Second is
Hmm.
grooming. I'm sure grooming is one of the factor through what we all are being judged in the society,
Right,
because everyone has their own grooming, like corporate grooming you can see in the picture,
yes,
right? So while we are going, while we go to the office, we need to get official dress up, the professional dress up, right?
absolutely. Yeah, yeah,
We cannot just wear the beach wear or the casuals and go to the office.
yeah. Right.
So it is everywhere, right? So we will see that
Yes, it
what
is.
are those grooming factors which helps us to drive coordination and cooperation from the society,
Hmm.
right? And how we
Correct.
judge. Today, I think
Yes,
brand is also more important, you know,
yes, for sure. Yeah.
right? People judge with the brand that we wear, the quality of cloth, color,
Yes, sir.
iron or
So it's
not. There
been
are
a
many
major
factors.
factor. Yeah.
Yeah. So we will see them one by one, right? Can you go
Yes.
to the back slide?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Then posture. What does it mean by posture that we need to focus and be conscious about?
Postures are basically um kind of our face expressions, I guess.
No, it's our body position. You can see in the picture
Okay.
different people are standing in different ways.
Right, sir.
Like when you have a good health, good fitness, you should stand straight, strong. Your posture should not
Hmm.
be lazy kind of, and it should not deliver message and non-verbal communication in society that you are not
Right.
energetic or lazy, feeling down,
Right.
etc. You know. So
Yes.
having good fitness is good, but also you need to carry good posture because that is
Correct.
non-verbal communication,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? We will see them also one by one. Then gesture, body
Then we have
language,
gesture.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
Body language is more important because how do we give or transact any communication with anyone? You know, like
Hmm.
I gave one example of this. If I include this all factors,
Right.
there was a good ad from Pan Parag. शादी और तुमसे कभी नहीं, you know.
Yeah.
And when
Yeah.
person says that शादी और तुमसे कभी नहीं,
Hmm.
so that shows the difference between the body language, expression, the conviction. Words are same, more or less, you know.
Right. Right. Right.
So yes, so body language
It's
also
how
says
the
that
way you say it.
correct. It's along with what you say and how do you say. It
Yeah.
depends on situation, right?
Yeah.
Then face
Then we
expression.
have face expressions. Yeah.
Correct. When we talk about the face expression, we have a lot of things our face says without saying anything. So our
Right.
face is a non-verbal communication which is delivered while we are in the society and talking with the
Mm-hmm.
people, right? Our
Right. Right.
eyes communicates a lot.
Mm.
So eyes, when we don't say anything, our eyes, our expression, that communication, we smile,
Mm.
and that non-verbal communication also affects to our overall personality, right?
Right. Yes.
Then we have our oral and written communication skills. We will see all inner factors of oral and written communication in detail after
Right.
this slide.
Right. Sir.
Then we have to respect. What does I
Correct.
respect
Mm.
means? What does respect means?
Well, according to what I see, it says difference after respect. So maybe it's the difference between the age group of people, their ethnicity, or their caste, religion. There should be
Correct. So we
respect
have
for
to
each and every
accept.
person existing in
Yes,
this world.
we need to accept difference, because we know that different people have different thoughts, language, culture, living
Right.
style, opinion.
Right.
We need to respect all. We cannot say
Hmm.
that you are
Hmm.
wrong, because nobody is wrong. Everyone is right here in this world. Their experience varies, and we need to learn to respect and accept them.
Right. Sir.
Right? We cannot fight and we cannot debate everywhere and say that you are right, you are wrong, my opinion is right. No, that's not the right thing.
Hmm.
It will not help us to drive coordination, cooperation, and collaboration with the people. So we
Correct.
will see them in detail, like
Hmm.
gender difference and other factors. There are a lot of things which we will see one by one during our sessions. Okay.
Right. Sir.
Then trust.
Trust. Yeah.
We have to trust to the self. We have to trust to other. Okay.
Hmm.
So both are vice versa, and we have to focus on them.
Right. Sir.
Right. The last one is balancing. We need to identify the balance, right?
Yes.
And we need to focus on balancing our feeling and emotions, behavior. There are a lot of
Hmm.
factors which we have to balance in between. I'm sure you have given those a psychometric test, and you have come to know what you have to
Yes.
balance
Sir.
in between,
Yes.
right? So can we go to
Hmm.
the next slide? Any question do you
Sure.
have to ask?
Well, it looks pretty clear to me. So
Right. So there are 10 major
yeah.
factors on which you have to focus while you are trying to improve your interpersonal traits. We will
Agree,
have a
sir.
tracker on place and activities on place to go for this. So you will have a
Hmm.
more depth understanding about this. And then we will go for the session for each, factor.
Hmm. Right.
Right. So shall we move further?
Sure.
Can you read it for me? What is there?
Oral communication skills. So there's seven different points, which if we combine it makes a word picture. Let's start with the full form. The P represents pitch, which is low or high. I represents inflection,
Let's take it one
which
on one,
is,
right? So
yeah, sure.
so pitch like low or high. Some people, if you have seen, have a low or high pitch. Different
Hmm.
people have different pitch.
Right.
Some people speak very loudly. They do not mean to fight, or they are not angry, but by nature they are loud,
Hmm.
and their pitch is high. You know.
Right.
So if I see that pitch, so I should keep low pitch
Yeah.
or average out according to the situation I need to manage. Because when I am
Balance.
angry or when
Exactly.
I want to deliver some message,
Yeah.
which is very, disciplined message or some instruction
Hmm.
to my son who is not listening, so I cannot be low. Otherwise,
Yes,
he
sir.
would take it for granted,
Hmm.
right? Then you can read the next one.
I for inflection, which is
Correct.
voice modulation.
We cannot be monotonous, we have to modulate our voice according to the situation or what the feeling, what we want to say, right?
Right, sir.
Correct. Then you can read
Hmm.
the next one.
C for courtesy, coherence, which is logic and consistency, and cohesion, which is structured, precise, and to the point.
Correct. If I talk about C, we need to carry courtesy. Courtesy means the respect, kindness, you know, the openness to
Yes, sir.
learn. These are the things I think called courtesy. When I talk
Right.
about coherence, there are ways of putting the things in front of anyone, like logic and consistency. We have to, when we are trying to say something to somebody, we need to be logical, or we need to think what are we saying, why are we saying, and we need to maintain that consistency. Basically, I
Yes, sir.
am talking about those formal communications. Where we are in informal communication, that's okay. But today, if you see, in
Hmm.
today's world, we are into the 21st century where we are talking about digitalization, you
Right,
know,
sir.
and we are talking about the comfort. So when we talk about this digitalization, oral
Hmm.
communication, written communication, or
Yes, sir.
interpersonal skills are also important as much as our intrapersonal skill,
Hmm.
right?
Right, sir.
Because we can only, as I have already explained in my previous slides, that to get prosperous and yearning, we need people, we need society, we need new
Right.
experience, right? So that
Hmm.
is what I mean to say, that logic and consistency we need to maintain. We
For
have
sure,
to
sir.
be very clear with the point that we want to make out, right?
Right.
Also, the presentation, the communication has to be structured, linked with one
Right.
to another point, precise,
Hmm.
not too lengthy to be discussed, and to the point,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So that other people can understand.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Then we have tone.
correct. Tone matters, that how do we say this thing, you know? So we always
Right, sir.
carry the different tone according to the different situation and message. Like
Right.
sometimes we say that thank you. Oh wow, thank you so much. And we said thank you, right?
Hmm.
There is a difference,
Right, sir.
right? You can read the next one.
Then we have you for understanding, which can be language content, presentation, examples. So most probably it's like it has to be relevant and understanding for people.
Correct. So understanding of people, like language, see, it is not important that you speak English only or you speak proper language. As I
Right.
said in the beginning itself, that no one, there will be very few people, not no one, there will be a
Yeah.
very few people who are very fluent or good in terms of the language what they speak, right?
Mhm.
Even people make mistake in their mother tongue too,
Right,
but
sir.
it has to be in a such a way that people can understand, the other person can understand, the content has
Right,
to
sir.
be proper, the way of presentation has to be proper, and it has to be explained with the examples. Example
Hmm.
gives more clarity to the people, right?
Right, sir.
You can read the next one.
Now we have R for rate of words and respect.
Correct. So as I said, we need to respect the difference while we have a communication with others. Also, we need to maintain our rate of words. We cannot be too fast. We cannot be too slow. Right. So we need to maintain in between, like 1 minute we can deliver not more than 120 words.
Hmm.
Otherwise, the people will not be able to understand. Or we cannot be
Right.
too slow, right? Where people will sleep.
Yes, sir.
right?
Hmm.
You can read the next.
Then E stands for enunciation, which is accent and clarity.
Correct. When we speak, we need to be more clear with our communication, and also we need to carry those accent that could be understood by the people, right?
Right,
So
sir.
these are the factors. Maybe this, as I keep saying, that this all things are for understanding and your knowledge. You can put
Yes, sir.
implement them. You can put them into the effect, and later on, with your experience, you can design your own conclusion, your own picture.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So you will have a chance to decide what, how, and why.
Hmm.
Can we go to the next
For
slide?
sure, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Here we are going to talk about written communication because, as I said, today we are into the digital world where we do not send a letter, we just communicate through emails. We write
Hmm.
emails, we will send messages on WhatsApp, we have a social media.
Right,
So written
right, sir.
communication is also more important
Hmm.
because using social media, email, or any other thing without written communication, which will create trouble to us,
Right,
right?
sir.
So we
Right.
have to focus on written communication as well. And what are the factors
Hmm.
you need to focus on are here. So could you just read them one by one?
Sure, sir. The first is language, which has grammar, vocabulary, and spelling.
Correct. So as I said, today we are into the digitalization and we write emails, messages, and post on social media, and we try
Hmm.
to communicate. So those are written communication, right?
Right.
So we need to be very specific with the language what we use, and the grammar, vocabulary, spelling, everything.
Hmm. Hmm.
The second point is presentation. So like we have to present that well. Packaging has to be good,
Right.
right?
Yes, sir.
Then I have already explained this point: cohesion, structured, precise, and to the point.
Yeah.
Coherence also I have explained that logic and
Yes, sir.
consistency we need to maintain, right?
Right.
Courtesy. Courtesy, I mean to say that there has to be a way of complaining also, right?
Correct. Yes.
So when we are going to complain is basically we have a problem and we are going to put that and highlight that. So there has to
Hmm.
be proper appropriate way to put that into effect or to communicate. And it has to be
Right, sir.
communicated. Complaint also can be communicated through courtesy, with courtesy, I would say.
Hmm.
Not through
Right.
courtesy, with courtesy.
Right, sir.
So that is we have to learn, and which we will
Hmm.
learn only when we will understand difference and we will accept the difference among we all.
Yes, sir.
We all are different. Nobody is same, and
Hmm.
we have to respect that difference and we have to accept in our written
Right.
communication too,
Right.
right? During your written communication skills, you will learn them. Okay.
Hmm.
So, is there any question that you have in written communication or oral communication?
Yes, sir. It's pretty clear to me.
Wonderful. Can we go to the next slide?
So,
Okay. Now, interpersonal communication process. This needs to be understood very well because
right.
I'm talking now. I'm going to talk about psychosocial personality.
Right.
When I put this slide on process on place, that means I will be talking about psychosocial personality or skills. Okay.
Hmm.
Now here you can see in the picture that there is a sender, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
I am sender, I am encode. I have sent some message to you, right?
Hmm.
There is a channel. Channel is like internet. We are sitting online and we are doing our work.
Right.
Now you will decode. You will decode according to your own opinion, your thoughts, your experience,
Hmm.
life values, belief. A lot of things are there,
Right.
right? But if I
Yeah.
have set proper process, if I have given you the documentation, which is written communication, you will
Hmm.
decode more or less same what I have encoded.
Right. Sir.
But in oral communication, it is not the same. Receiver
Hmm.
might receive the message based on their own perception, their own thoughts, belief, and everything, and they
Yes.
will decode accordingly.
Correct.
Right. For example, if I'll say somebody that you have done a great job and you have done good work, thank you so much for me. Now, I
Hmm.
gave, for example, I told this particular statement to the person because he taught me something,
Right.
right? Or, for example, I am saying somebody that you should work on your own self development, right?
Correct.
You have to
Correct.
learn
Hmm.
intrapersonal and interpersonal qualities. So I am saying because I have experienced them and it is good
Hmm.
for the other person. Okay.
Right. Sir.
But that person might do not receive the same thing in same way. The intention, the message and everything. He might feel
Yes.
that I want something from him, or I am
Hmm.
saying because of just for sake of saying. He might judge or get message based on his own perception and life.
Right.
And accordingly, he will give me the feedback. Like, you know, oh, these are the things I
Hmm.
don't
Hmm.
believe in them. This self-development, it's not needed, man. I just want to live like what I want to live.
Right.
Or somebody would say that, yes, I relate with you. And I say that, yes, it is good thing. I know that. I have developed
Yes. Sir.
myself previously. I have experience and I found good results in my life,
Right.
betterment in my life. So I think I should
Right.
go for it.
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
So this feedback will help me to understand what other people want and think. So I have to understand myself as well as other people also, their opinion, their
Yes. Sir.
thoughts, their culture, and everything. So I would
Yes.
utilize my communication, energy, time accordingly.
Right.
So understanding this process, encoding, decoding, you will see as you move further with your assignments and your trackers. You will track them, you will understand them, and you
Right.
will
Sir.
also make your own conclusion. Am I clear with this?
Hmm. Yes. Sir. You are.
Right. So can we go to the next slide?
Sure.
There are two quotes which are given here, which defines the psychosocial attitude. Can you just read them one by one for me? The first, I want
Sure,
you to
sir.
read the left one. Yeah.
Your perception of me is a reflection of you. My reaction to you is an awareness of me.
As I said, I have already explained through this communication process. Perception of people you cannot control.
Hmm.
Their perception are reflection of them. Right. But my reaction,
Right.
my behavior, my what I carry, the behavior, attitude, which is my awareness. I need not
Right.
to respond every situation, every question that I have to understand. Right. So once I am
Hmm.
self-actualized and I am self-aware about myself, I will be able to control my reactions. I cannot control perception of others. I can
Hmm.
just understand. Right.
Right,
What
sir.
they are reflecting, I can understand what they are. I cannot control their perception, but of course, I can control and regulate my reactions accordingly. And that is what
Yes,
we
sir.
call psychosocial attitude,
Right.
right? અને
Yes.
ગુજરાતીમાં બીજી એક કહેવત છે. I love to say that in Gujarati itself. કે ના કશાના અભાવમાં જીવો, રાઈટ? ના કોઈના પ્રભાવમાં જીવો. Means ના કશાના અભાવમાં જીવો means do not live with any deficiency, right? Because there is a difference between needs and want.
Right, sir.
So before you move from your needs to want, you should know that whether am I moving in the right direction or not.
Hmm.
Wants are
Hmm.
never satisfied. We can only satisfy our needs, and you know what are your needs. I am sure you have
Yes. Sir.
practiced and learned through the
Yeah.
theories and assessment from
Hmm.
Abraham
Hmm.
Maslow. right?
For sure.
So
Yeah.
that says that do not live with any deficiency nor under influence, right?
Right.
So in just live with your own actualization.
Correct.
So you should live with your deficiency, which are your needs. Do not, and also you need to identify and understand the difference between needs and want. Right?
Right.
Wants are always, for wants there are always deficiency. Needs can be satisfied,
Hmm. Correct.
and do not live with under influence of anyone. Whatever the theories, whatever the practice, no, the theories, modules you practice here are just
Yes.
for your knowledge and understanding, right? You create your own world and your own understanding,
Right.
so you could live just with your own actualization,
Right.
right? And that is what it means to say. So like ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય
Hmm.
છે કે ના કસાના અભાવમાં જીવો, ના કોઈના પ્રભાવમાં જીવો, જો જીવન
Yes.
જીવો તો પોતાના તાવમાં જીવો, means with your own
Yes.
self actualization,
Hmm.
right? Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So can we go to the next slide?
Sure.
Here you can read one more psychology which is given by Sadhguru.
Yes, sir. Once you are clear about what you are doing and why, other people's opinions will not matter. Simple.
Correct. So first you should know why, how, and what. Why am I doing this? How will I do it? And what will I get out of it?
Right.
If these three why W are clear, why, how, and what? Why these
Yeah.
three questions I would say. Why am I doing
Hmm.
this? How would I do it? And what will I get out of it? Once you are
Yes.
clear with this, you will be able to cooperate, coordinate, and collaborate with the people. So their opinions
Correct.
you can regulate and filter whether that matters to you or not.
Yes.
It will not influence your life, your happiness, your healthiness, prosperity,
Hmm.
and journey. But it will help you more to grow with your goals,
Right.
reality, options. So understand
Right.
that the social skills you have to improve and work on, because
Hmm.
to get prosperous and yearning. And let me
Yes.
once again reiterate the point that prosperous doesn't mean money. It means
Hmm.
knowledge, respect, life values, you know, the factors
Yes.
which I have already
Yes.
explained. And also we will see them one by one. Is it clear?
Right. Yes, it is.
So can you go to the last slide?
There is nothing called complete personality because people in progress.
So we all are in progress. We keep growing
Hmm.
with our goals, reality, options, and what do we do? So that is the reason there is no complete personality. The complete personality
Right.
is complete myth,
Right.
and personality is always under construction. And that is our
Correct.
punchline. If you have seen our punchline, it says that people in progress,
Right.
right? So
Yeah.
Manthan, how did you find today's session? Any question?
I find it very interesting, sir, because these are the few factors which really matters when we talk about interpersonal skills. So I definitely understood a lot of things. Like we know things matters, but there is no one to show us the right way of doing it and right order of things. So it's all confusing when you try to understand these things without someone, without an expert's guidance. So I guess I can understand it more better and rely on it better than ever before. So yeah, it's been a good experience, and I'm pretty much clear about everything right now.
Correct. So I'm sure this session has helped you to understand interpersonal traits which you need to work on.
Yeah.
You will have a separate session on each factor. Also, you will have a tracker on place to track and understand more,
Right, sir.
right? So with that note, I am sure you don't have any question. Do you have any question?
No, sir. I don't have any
Wonderful.
question.
So with that note, we will end our session here. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time and take care of yourself.
Yes, sir. Sounds good.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Welcome.
You
Take
too.
care.
Take care, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. Bye.